I want us to look at the second example of exchange rate, and here is the question. A Kenyan bank bought and sold United Arab Emirates UAE dirhams on two different dates as shown. So here is 1st August 2024 and 16 August 2024. One UAE dirham is equals to this buying and selling column. So we are told that a Kenyan tourist who traveled to UAE on 1st August 2024 converted Kenya shillings 130,050 to UAE dirhams. During his stay in UAE, he spent 3,520 UAE dirhams. He arrived back to Kenya on 16th August 2024. On the same day, he converted the remaining amount of money to Kenya shillings at the same bank. Calculate the amount of money that he received from the bank. Now, for you to understand this video, I want you to go back and try and watch our previous video on the same topic that will enable you to connect with this question. Now, let's begin solving this question. So, we are told that we have a tourist here who is traveling from UAE, from Kenya to UAE. So we are told that he has 130,050. He converted it into dirhams and went to UAE. He spent some time there. He spent some given amount of money in dirhams. And then he came back. So we need to convert this 130,000 to dirhams, to UAE. So we are going to use the selling column. Now, the amount of money received is going to be the amount received in dirham, the amount received in dirham. So we want to see 130,000 was equivalent to how many dirhams. So we are going to use the selling column. So we are going to say 1 dirham. Remember, it was on 1st August 2024. So 1 dirham is equal to we are going to use the selling column, is equal to 28, is equals to Kenya shillings 28.90. What about 130 and 50 Kenya shillings? So what about 130 and 50 Kenya shillings? So we are going to cross multiply. So we have 1 dirham multiplied by Kenya shillings 130 50. Then we divide everything by Kenya shillings 28.90. So what do we have? We have so this one cancel this one. So we'll have dirhams because we are remaining in the dirhams. In our calculator, we are going to have 4,500 dirhams. So this is the amount of money. This is the amount of money which in dirhams, which is equivalent to 130,000. Now, we were told that while in UAE, he spent 3,520. So it means we need to subtract this amount of money he spent from the amount of money that he had to see what the amount of money that he remained with. So we are going to say he spent how much did he spend? 3,520, and this is dirham. So we need to find the amount of money that he remained with. Let us write it here. So the amount of money that he remained with. So we are going to take 4,500 dirhams. 4,500 dirhams subtracted from what he spent, 3,520. So what do we get again in our calculator? We get 980 dirhams. So this is the amount of money that he remained with after spending in his stay in UAE. Now we are told that he arrived back to Kenya on 16th. He arrived back to Kenya on 16th August 2024, this date. So he converted the remaining amount into Kenya shillings. So here we need to convert again this dirham into Kenya shillings because now he's in Kenya. You need to change the currency to Kenya shillings. So because we are going to change dirhams into Kenya shillings, we are going to use the buying column. The buying column, this one. So the amount received, the amount received in Kenya shillings. So we say that 1 dirham here, one dirham, remember it's on 16th August, 1 dirham is equivalent to 28, is equal to 28.00. This is Kenya shillings. What about 980 dirhams? What about 980 dirhams? So we cross and multiply. We are going to have 980 dirhams multiplied by Kenya shillings 28. Then we divide everything. We divide everything by 1 dirham. So dirham and dirham will cancel out, so remain Kenya shillings. So we get Kenya shillings. You get Kenya shillings in your calculator. What do you have? We have 27,440, and this is the amount of money that is equivalent to 980 dirhams. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.